Hello everyone and welcome to Stories and Snacks with Isabel. Now, today you might see an extra. This is Mummy.
Hello.
And it's her birthday today. That's why we put her on.
That's why she got a crown on as well. She
Yeah.
doesn't usually wear a crown.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. And it's Father's Day today. So, I got these for Father's Day. Funny money. I'm well excited to do those.
You got
And-
lots of Father's Day.
Yeah.
Sour blueberries.
The only thing with these is we can't tell people where to buy them, can we?
We
How
can
can we
if
say
they're
it?
local.
Yeah.
Do they go on Burnley Market?
No, it won't Burnley Market.
Where was it?
Can't remember the name of it. The sweet
Sweet
shop.
desserts.
Sweet dessert.
Oh, right. Get yourselves
got-
down to sweet desserts.
And my friend Sarah works there.
Shout out.
She's a teenager, I think. I don't know.
Do you want me to open
Which
this?
can we do in fact? Can we do funny money?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry. Right, okie dokie.
Right,
Right,
guys.
£200
There you go.
Oh, wait a minute. I want to see if there's more money to
for
be
the
had.
different flavours. They're all 200.
All 200. Right, go on then. What colour?
That's what they look like.
Blue. We all need
I'll
blue.
have a pink.
Pink.
Pink. No, I have blue.
Are we all having a blue?
Yeah.
I think they'll all taste the same, to be honest.
Right. Guys. Let's eat. 3, 2, 1.
Tastes like
Paper.
absolutely nothing. What are you? It's stuck in your mouth.
Yeah. Not enjoyable, really, that to eat, is it?
No.
It's just a bit of novelty, I think. The good thing about these is that they wipe your bum on the way out. Yeah. They're they don't taste of anything. They just melt as soon as they go in your mouth. They're a novelty item. And,
It's my childhood dream to eat money.
yeah, what do you think? What score are you giving them?
Let's just see if there's different flavours. I'll just try one other one.
Okay.
Just to see, like, do you want a pink one?
Nah.
They don't taste different.
No.
No.
Yeah.
This is me when I'm angry at money.
When are you angry at money? Oh, Isabel, that's just going to stick to your whole mouth.
Feeling good?
Mhm.
Right,
I've
okay,
got Stories
moving
and
on.
Snacks with Isabel t-shirt. So
We'll
Mummy-
do that in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Are we on the next bit?
Mhm.
Do it now if you want.
We've not give our score.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm
Let's
giving
eat.
those a 1. Ori.
Yeah, I think I might do that.
I give it a stay away from fly.
What
I
do you
give
give
it
it?
a 1.
A 1. Yeah, rubbish. Novelty, nothing
I'm
more.
really excited
Funny
for
money.
them.
Not that funny, really, is it?
No, I was about to say that.
T-shirt's massive.
Right. Time to get these done.
I'll open these if you want, or can you get in them?
Oh,
Oh,
No.
no, I didn't do that.
that means have a go.
We'll just have it hand done. Right.
There we go.
Sour blueberries.
Sour blueberries. Let's hope they are
Right.
sour.
Yes, we don't like
Are
these.
we all going at the same time?
Guys.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh wow, these look.
I've got two there. Grab that one.
These are like, you can have both of those. Strawberries, they're like the strawberry ones you can get. Blueberries, apparently.
Hey, how do you know there are strawberry ones you could get?
Oh, they smell sour.
Yeah, they do.
Let's give it a go. Not that sour. They smell sour, but they're not sour, are they? Cat wants some.
I'm not getting much blueberry flavour.
I am, I like them.
I don't like it.
Chewy.
You don't like it?
A little bit sticky, aren't they?
I love them.
Like that.
Oh, thanks. Oh no, it's got saliva on. You can have it.
I really like these. Nice blue
Thank you.
raspberry flavour, whatever that is. Texture's not the greatest, and they're not actually sour, which is a slight problem when they're called sour blueberries.
Yes.
Not
Alright.
for me.
What are you giving them?
They might be a 1 for me.
1.
They were too chewy, too sticky. Just tasted the chemicals.
That's very low. What are you going for, Isabel?
Probably a 7.
Yeah, I'll go 7. I like these. No, I won't go 7 actually. I'll go 6.
I was looking forward to having a sour sweet, and they're just not. They're not.
No,
I like sour.
we need to get something really sour.
Do you want to do the warheads? They're meant to be sour.
Oh, the warheads.
The warheads.
Yeah, I won't do them right now though. 7. Yeah,
They're meant to be sour gel.
they're okay.
Yeah.
What did you say? 7?
7.
I say 6 and you say 1. It's a low score. You can tell she's inexperienced in the food reviewing game,
About
can't
that,
you?
it's about the sweets
As
at
well.
poor standard.
What do you think?
You
Isabel?
brought me in on a poor day. Right, should we talk about what we got?
Yeah. We got t-shirts.
Stories and snacks with Isabel t-shirts.
Turn round.
Can I see it?
Look at that.
Stories and snacks with Isabel.
If you would like one, send us an email.
Oh! There's something we need to do.
Oh, yes, there is. Do you want to go grab it?
Yes!
So we're going to be giving away something today. Something for you, the regular viewers. You can win many things. You can win. Oh, not everything in there, but yeah. So you can win.
You can win Born in the 80s chocolate. You can win Aero chocolate.
What, do they get to pick?
Nope.
Nope.
You get everything.
You can win Quick Milk Lucky Box. You can win Haribo Nostalgics. You can win Squashy Love Hearts. You can win Kinder Surprise Egg.
So you get to win all of those things. So that's all of these things. And we're not doing anything to try and catch you out. All you've got to do is email our email address, which was in the description.
Right, what should they email us saying?
Just saying, I'm entering. I'd like to win the prize, please.
Prize,
Or something like that. Just an email saying you want it. And then, if you win, we'll send you an email back and we'll put a thing along the bottom here. Say who the winner is, and we will deliver it to your house.
Should they enter a
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What if they live in America?
No, you deliver it.
Oh, you mean post
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Remember we were going to hand deliver it.
No, it's not that kind of channel.
no? Should they enter an animal?
I
Should they
know.
enter an animal
What do you
too?
mean?
Like their favourite animal or something?
If they
No,
want.
I think they need to, we should have thought about this before, they should suggest something for us to review.
Just send an email. I don't really
Yeah.
care. Just say I want what prizes,
Just
please.
send an animal or whatever.
Say I like carrots if you like.
Why are we giving these away? I want these.
No, sorry.
I
We've
want
reviewed-
blueberry
we reviewed them.
custard. I wasn't here for that.
We've reviewed them. Game over. These belong to someone out there, I'm afraid. I know it's a good prize. It's a very good
Can I
prize.
email?
Yeah, you can email. You
Yeah.
won't win though.
No, because I'll just know it's you.
Anyway, so win all these prizes. Look at that, a massive aero.
Oh,
These, we reviewed these. They
you
were,
get a toy.
we reviewed these. They were terrible. You can
A
win these.
lion.
Absolutely horrible. These we've reviewed as well. You can have those. They're nice. They're all right.
Nostalgic so nice.
Yeah, we gave them a decent score, I think. And that's
Oh,
just some
there's
chocolate.
this advert,
Wow.
and it goes like this. They have Nostalgics, and there's these old ladies, and they sound really young. And one goes, squishy like a jellyfish.
Well, there you go. What more could you want? Right, that's it from us. Don't
An
forget,
80s chocolate.
don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Make sure you give your mums a kiss and your dads, or whoever looks after you. Or just kiss someone, but only with their consent. Bye.